Um, Welcome to today's tutorial on color mixture, the raw hat tutorial. If you have any color you want to mix and you find it challenging, kindly check the playlist on my channel, raw hat tutorial. I might have mixed the color before, and if I haven't, you can drop it in the comment section. I'll make research and mix the colors. So today we are mixing these 4 colors, and on our palette we have titanium white, medium yellow, this is brilliant red, this is cerulean blue, ultramarine blue, and black. So let's dive into the mixture. The very first color here is like a bluish gray, so we can start by mixing gray and add blue to it. Whichever blue we use among the two works, because blue is not the dominating color. So I feel there's a lot of blue in the mixture. But I think my mixture is darker, but let's do a test first. Yes, this is way too dark. So and this is too light. I think we need something nice in between the two of them. Yeah, we are close. Okay, let me just add a little bit of blue to this, and that should be fine. Stainless blue. Okay. This is the very first color and the color charts. Let's move on to the next color, which is more like brown. So I can start by mixing red and yellow. Then at this point you can decide to add either blue or black to the mixture. I use brilliant red with medium yellow and ultramarine blue to mix this. So this is close, just that it is lighter. Let's add a little bit of black to it. Also, on this channel I teach people of all ages art and how to be creative. So if you are willing to learn art and you want to be confident in your painting process, you can subscribe to this channel so you don't miss out on my future tutorials. Because after color mixture, we'll be having tutorials on how to apply color, how to blend, and all the necessary things you need to know in painting. So let me just add a little bit of red to this mixture. Okay, this is better. That's the second color palette, color chart. So let's move on to the third one. Yeah, this is kind of saturated color. As you can see, it's bright. and it's very brilliant. So I'm using cerulean blue. It's way too light. I think we're going to have yellow in that mixture. It's still looking bluish. Let's add more yellow. I guess we added too much yellow this time. That's making it look greenish. So I need to come back with my blue and white. That's one of the challenges you face when you mix colors. It might turn out, while you are trying to add just a little tint of the color, a little bit of another color to tone it might go wrong. So in that case, it's very much advisable to just take little of that color and continue and start the mixture again. Okay, we are close, just that is not dark enough for me. Yes, this is better. That's the third color. Let's move on to the last color. Yeah, this last color I feel is more of the ultramarine blue, and let's add black. I think we're still going to have yellow in that mixture. Not really ultramarine. I feel it's not ultramarine. Let's mix this with this same cerulean blue and black. So I have a feeling we'll get it better than me. Yes. Cerulean and black. And this is one of the things I was saying about color mixture. If you look at this now, can you see what we are getting compared to when we use ultramarine for? So when you know the colors to combine, it makes it faster and easier, and you have less worry on this color is too dark, so we are most likely going to have to bring blue and a little bit of this color into our mixture. This is looking like it's close. So from here, I think we should just add a little white to this to bring it to the exact tone we're looking for. Why? I think I've done too much with my whites. Just slightly way too much. So Let me add blue and touch of this to the mixture. I'm sensing something like a little touch of yellow. Yeah, that's the perfect color. So thank you for joining this video. Do well to share, like, comment and subscribe. I'll see you on my next video. Bye.